visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May 1st to May the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate sa ating reading. Ayan, meron po tayong kabilang channel ha, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel, catered for our international audience. So nagla-live po tayo doon. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Marami tayong pag-uusapan Aquarius. Nandiyan po ang finances or wealth. Careers or your job. Of course, the majority of you are here for romantic reading, no? Siyempre, different stages yan. Magsisimula tayo sa singles na naghahanap, crushes, no labels, or nandun sa situationship, nandun po sa in a relationship or magjowa, no? Married couple, third party, and separated couples, no? Bear with me kasi medyo prangka ang ating oracle card. No, wala siyang filter, so bear with me. Magsimula na tayo. Aquarius, stop obsessing. So you are not the fucking center of the universe. So parang sinasabi natin dito, or that your person, no? Or that energy. The reason why I'm saying energy, it is because this energy might be, or that thing, that could be a person, that could be an event, that could be a situation, no? One thing's for sure, parang feeling mo, hindi ka na mabubuhay kapag wala itong energy na ito, no? Parang feeling mo, katapusan na ng lahat. Finances or wealth, well, actually, I could really understand, no? Kung malaking pera ang nawala. Whether it is sarili nating kagustuhan, hindi natin gusto, yung malaking pera na yung mahirap uli ibalik. And that is understandable if you feel a little down right now or gusto nating maibalik ito, no? By hook or by crook. Pero I feel like yung iba sa inyo medyo nalilihis ng landas dito, no? I am not going to be surprised if the Devil card or the Seven of Swords, probably also the Magician, will show up in here, including the High Priestess. Kasi parang nakikita natin dito, medyo yung iba nalilis ng landas to a point wherein baka na kukuha sa mga online gamings, no, or dumediretso sa mga sugals, yung instant money, no? It felt like okay lang naman maghangad, no, madali ang maibalik ito ng maaga. Pero I feel like you are dragging yourself more into hindi maayos, no, nakatayuan sa buhay. Careers and job, baka naman kumakapit tayo sa patalin, no, para maibalik or mamadali. Hindi palaging masama ang ginagawa ng kapit sa patalim. Baka din mamaya masyado naman tayo naaabuso because of kapit sa patalim. Why? No? Kasi alam ng siguro management, boss natin na kailangan natin or gustong-gusto natin yung position. So, we are being taken advantage of, no? Para sabihin nila, bibigay ko sa iyo itong position na ito pero gagawin mo sa akin itong mga bagay na ito, no? Sa relationships, I feel like medyo lahat ito. Singles, crushes, no labels. in a relationship, married, third party, and even doon sa ating separated couples na, no? Or separated individual na parang kahit na medyo tinututukan natin, no? Ang social media account ng ating person, the Nine of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. So parang meron ditong mga bagay na nai-stress tayo or stress na tayo on how we can navigate their attention towards us. I want more. Medyo stress tayo, hindi tayo nakakapagtulog-tulog dahil medyo inaabang-abangan natin itong mga my days, no? Sino ba itong nakatabi sa kanya dito sa picture na ito? Hindi rin kasi tayo kinakausap, no, nitong person na ito. Kaya kung ano-ano, yung overthinking, it might be anxiety, no? Pero with the Nine of Wands in here, tinatry naman natin, pero meron dito kasing urge of we cannot control ourselves from either, kung di man natin nakikita yung mga social medias nila or tumingin sa kanila, magtanong, no, ng kanilang status, no, sa buhay. Ayan, medyo nakikimarites tayo. Hindi naman sa ibang tao, doon lang naman sa person, no? The Seven of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Hangman. So, ang nakikita natin dito, medyo may itch, no, yung kamay natin. Am I gonna be the one to initiate something, no, para ma-achieve ko to? For finances and career, I think that you're already doing that. The initiation, no, of probably, yun nga, gumagawa tayo ng mga bagay-bagay ngayon para madaliin, no? Singles, crushes, I feel like siguro gumagawa tayo ng ibang account, tinitest natin, no? Sama na natin yung ibang parts ng or stages ng relationship. Especially sa married couples, nangyayari din ito, no? Merong gumawa dito ng account. It could be you, it could be your person, ha? You can interchange the situation. What I am reading is the dynamic. Whoever is doing this, gumagawa ng dummy account, mini-message yung person for the sake of tinitest ko kung kakagat or hindi, no? I feel like marami ditong ways on how you can test your person or probably ways on how you can check if your person is doing something behind your back. There's also a sense of ownership in here na parang akin ka lang or akin ka na lang, kanta. Pero you don't know on how to make this come to fruition, no? With the Ten of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. Now, with too much of emotions, too much of attention, that probably we are spending, giving, pouring, no? The person, we might going to scare the person away dun sa mga may relationships, no? Kasi I feel like the obsession per se, medyo nakakatakot siya sa paningin ni person mo. Again, or kung itong may taong na-obsessed sa'yo, syempre natatakot ka na. Hindi naman sa part na kung nanonood ka ng You, no? Hindi naman to yun sa Netflix. Hindi naman ito yung ganun. Pero kahit na, nakakatakot pa rin. Knowing the fact na marami itong alam sa'yo na wala ka namang alam na sa kanya or wala ka pang alam sa kanya, medyo creepy, no? Ang dating. So, kung sino man ito, probably you're scaring the person away. When it comes to the career or job, I feel like whatever it is that you're doing, that you will just be taken advantage of and baka kita mo, no, in the future, ma-notice mo na you're just being used. I think it's much better to do it the right way, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, meron kang kakayahan. Kung, hindi tayo mag-shortcut, no? I feel like we are nag-shortcut tayo para mapadali yung punta natin sa isang situation, including the finances and wealth, no? Let's get some more cards in here. This is a message from the universe. You are not moving too slowly. Tandaan mo yan. No? Baka minamadali mo lang. Meron tayong issues with regard to the time frame. Baka ikaw itong feeling mo kulang, no, ang naibibigay na time ng universe sa'yo or meron kang hinahabol din na time. Drop the self-induced pressure. You are not the sweet spot between taking care of yourself and still making advancement on your goals. So, it kind of make me feel that um, medyo napapabayaan din natin yung sarili natin for being too focused, no? Aanihin mo naman yung sobrang, sabi natin, super OT. Pero yung maiipon mo, ipapampagamot mo din. So, sana pinahinga mo na lang, hindi pa nasaktan ang katawan mo, no? Um, on this path, there is no such thing as being behind. So, smile, breathe, and carry on. So, parang sinasabi dito ng universe na sa pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, walang huli. Walang nahuhuli, walang nalalamangan. I feel like ikaw itong pumipressure sa sarili mo. Ikaw itong naghahanap either siguro ng ikakasakit ng ulo mo o ikakasakit ng katawan mo. But then again, no, take it easy and I feel like kung para sa'yo, no? It may sound a cliche pero yun ang totoo, no? Hindi mo maipipilit ang isang bagay kung hindi ito nauukol, di ba? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. So, pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience, no? Nagla-live po tayo dyan, so pwede kayong sumali. Pero kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Cancer, Leo, yan. So yan po ang inyong reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and know that you are appreciated. Goodbye.
You want the